Okay, and so what we're going to do then is we will integrate from our limits of integration there, which are from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. So from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. And then it's pi times the difference in the two radii, which the outer circle had a radius of 2, so 2 squared minus cosecant squared, and then you can say x comma dx. Okay, and so then this pi, of course, can just come out in front, and you're going to have the integral from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6 of 4 minus cosecant squared x dx. And you can integrate these. You can integrate 4. The antiderivative of 4 is just 4x. So this is going to be pi times 4x. And then the antiderivative of negative cosecant squared x dx is cotangent x. So then this is going to be plus, because it's, you integrate negative cosecant squared x dx and you get cotangent x. And you're going to evaluate that from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6. And so then you'll come in and plug in your values. You'll have a pi here, and then you're going to have f of b, which is going to be 4 times 5 pi over 6 plus the cotangent of 5 pi over 6 minus 4 times pi over 6 times the plus the cotangent of pi over 6. Okay, all right, and so then coming back over here, this is going to be pi. Let's see how this cleans up. 4 and 6, 2 goes into both of these, and so this is going to be 10 pi over 3 plus the cotangent of 5 pi over 6. Cotangent is cosine over sine. The cosine of 5 pi over 6 is negative square root of 3 over 2 over 1/2. So that's going to be negative square root of 3. And then, remember the pi's times all that. Then minus, okay, this is just going to be 2 pi over 3 plus the cotangent of pi over 6, which is the cosine over the sine. And again, it's going to just be, it'll simplify to the square root of 3 because it'll be positive because pi over 6 is in the first quadrant. All right, and so what do we end up with here? Sorry, this is the link to the first part of this video. I'm going to get myself some room. Okay, so this is going to be pi times 10 pi over 3 minus 2 pi over 3, which is 8 pi over 3, and then negative square root of 3 and a negative, another negative, so negative 2 square roots of 3. Okay, so that's your exact solution, which is, but they want it rounded to the nearest hundredth, so we probably could have done this whole problem with our calculator. But anyway, you'll do second, okay, let me quit. So it's going to be second pi times 8 pi divided by 3 minus 2 on the square root of 3. And let's see, enter, so it's 15.44, which we'll try. Okay, and so that was the hard way to do it. If you had done it with your calculator from the beginning, you can do math and then down to choice 9, which is fint, and then you type in the formula, which was, I only have 27 seconds here, so I'm assuming that you know how to do this with your calculator, but it's the pi and then the 4 minus the 1 divided by the sine of x. I'm gonna, my time's gonna run out of here, squared, and then comma the limits of integration, which are pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6, and if you hit enter, you should